to fix random shutdown or random restarts in your Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix random restarts or shutdown that are happening in your Windows 11. So recently I also faced a similar issue and I found the culprit, which was the Windows 11 update. So basically, if you are also facing this random shutdown issues after updating your Windows 11, then let me show you how you can fix this. So before that, some of the diagnostic steps also includes to check your disk. And apart from that, what you can do is simply go to the search bar and simply search for advanced system settings. Now simply hit the enter button and you will see this system properties tab right here. From here, you will be automatically landed onto this advanced tab, and within the advanced tab you have this performance tab right here. So from here, simply click onto the settings, and within the settings you can see that it is currently set for best appearance. So if you think that your processor might be overclocking or because of performance issues you are facing this, then you can adjust it to best performance and then click onto the apply and OK button. Now apart from that, we're gonna check that these settings remain as it is, like they are here. And what you can also do is you can go to the settings of system protection as well, and from here you will have this option of system restore. So you can undo system changes by reverting your computer to a previous restore point. So basically, if your computer was working fine at an earlier time, you can simply click onto this system restore and it will restore your system to that particular point of time when it was working perfectly fine, and hopefully this will resolve your issue. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.